Hello, next I will present my answer about the story. Does the story have a theme? What is the story about? What is the central idea? It is implicit or explicit. The story theme is Saturday's surprise. It is about Carlos, who was on his birthday on Saturday. But he realized that on that day everything was normal and he was very worried because there was no noise in the apartment or the noise of his mother and his sister no more. There was noise in the part of the street and how worried he was looking at the clock and it was 10 o'clock. He got up quite quickly and when he looked out the window, he realized everyone walking and talking. That was all normal. That was all normal. What was normal was quiet. He was inside his apartment. Carlos kept the laundry and sat in his bed, very thoughtful of what was happening when he was heading for the kitchen because his stomach was making noise and he started yelling at his relatives. And when he heard noise in the kitchen and they had prepared his birthday family and his parents and gave him a gift motorcycle wrapped in glossy wrapping paper, as they had all contributed to buy him that gift, and Carlos ran to ride his new motorcycle down the street and the sweet melodic hum out of his engine for their ears as Carlos could not hear it. The main ideal is that Carlos was preparing a surprise birthday in which he was given as a gift a motorcycle since all his relatives contribute to him to make him that gift and that in his engine he left a melody very sweet for the ears. For me, the story is explicit because it allows us to know how the family is made up and several more details. Who is the protagonist of the story? Try to establish his heritage, family background, social class and status, and occupation. The protagonist of the story was Carlos because he was celebrating his surprise birthday on Saturday. His relatives were his parents with present and as a gift it was a yellow motorcycle and the song was very beautiful to the ears. However, however, at the first I was very scared because I didn't know what going on with those living in the same apartment. What is the problem present in the story? How was the problem solved at the end? The problem present in this story was that Carlos was not aware of the surprise they were going to give him. Then the worried on began to think that it was happening on the day quite relaxed, even to solve that anxiety Carlos began to suspect, and when he opened the chicken door, He took the big surprise of his birthday event. At what point in this story is the tension heals? Is that the dramat climax? The moment he was told that they made a sweet sound in the engine and that Carlos couldn't hear him. I think the story can be dramatic as it shows with action that perform characters. The story involved an epiphany or moment, or insight, revelation, or self-revelation for the protagonist or for the reader. How is this moment present? I could say that the story involves a moment of self-revelation, science to give the delight to Carlos was from a collision among his relatives, his family, did it because they worked hard to surprise him on his birthday with a magnificent motorcycle. Thank you so much.